This week on Tales from a Passport, we visit Cane Garden Bay and do our best to balance work with play. Hudson helps with maintenance around the boat as we install new fans. We stop by the Soggy Dollar Bar to swim in and pick up a painkiller. We do a little provisioning in the rain and end the day with Hudson's favorite pastime, tubing behind the dinghy. Alright, so stop number one. We gotta get rid of trash. One thing about living on a boat is there's always something to do. Most of the time we focus on the fun things. However, for every fun activity we do on the boat, there is usually some equal, not so fun maintenance that is needing some attention. It's always nice to have some helping hands around during these times. Looks like we found where we were supposed to dump the trash. Where are we going today?
The chandlery, because my dad wants to go get some chandeliers.
Today, Hudson has been selected to volunteer to help me out with a couple of items that have been needing to get worked on for quite some time. We got fans,
No.
we got ice,
Yeah.
headed back to the boat. And now, Hudson's gonna show you how to install that fan. I've never been very mechanically inclined, but living on a boat has helped me slowly become a Mr. Fix-It. I enjoy having the opportunity to teach my boys how to handle small projects around the boat. Sometimes I recruit for teaching, but other times they are volunteered simply because boats are notorious for having small places that big bodies like mine can't fit in. Thanks for being my helper, Hudson. No trip to the BVI is ever complete without swimming in to grab a painkiller from the Soggy Dollar Bar. What's even better is when friends have been there ahead of time and already treated you to a drink. Thanks to the Millers, our thirst was quenched before we even made it off the boat. So this toast is to the Millers. Cheers. Headed in to get groceries and dump stuff, and we've got ourselves a morning shower coming in. Nothing on a boat ever seems to be easy, even the easy things. Sometimes the smallest things can end up being a full day event. Hiking to the grocery store, hauling laundry on your back to the laundromat, hand washing your dishes, or filling your water bottles at the local fill station. Nothing's easy, but everything has been worth it. All right, chores are done. It's time for some fun. Here we go. After a long day of knocking projects off of our to-do list, it's always nice to let loose and have a little fun. We each have our own way we like to let loose and reward ourselves for a job well done. Susan, she typically likes to get off the boat and stretch her legs. I like to take a dive and do some snorkeling in Denver. Well, it's all about fishing for him. Since Hudson has given up time to help me out around the boat, it's time to reward him with a little tubing behind the dinghy.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Every little thing's gonna be alright. So no woman will cry.